Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Intel NUC 12 Serpent Canyon desktop. And friend, Intel has updated the NUC 12 with 14 core i7-12700H processor and ARC A770M secret GPU. And friend, the graphics had been upgraded from Nvidia's RTX 2060 to Intel's own technology. And friend, the TGB for this ARC GPU is officially in 120 watt to 150 watt range. And friend, the replacement for Phantom Canyon will have an Intel Core i7-12700H processor with up to 14 cores and Intel Arc A770M GPU, and the previous model has Core i7-1165G7 processor with 4 cores and Nvidia RTX 2060 graphics. And the Serpent Canyon has i7-12700H CPU with 6 performance core and 8 efficient core for 14 cores and 20 threads, and the CPU can go as fast as 4.7 GHz and has 24 MB cache. And it also sees the integrations for Thunderbolt 4, HDXC, UHS 2, Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 GBE interfaces along with number of USB 3.2 ports. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.